Hi guys, it's Donny at Lancaster Automart. Here we are at our site, along with our partners at Lancaster Volkswagen. And today we have for you a 2016 Audi A3. It is the S line, TFSI, the Quattro. It is a 2 litre 7-speed auto petrol. Some lovely alloys. Just noticed on there's quite a bit of a scuff on that one, but they will be diamond cut prior to sale, so don't worry about that. The guys in the body shop will sort all that out. Privacy glass tint windows at the back. So this has only just come in. Just have a quick look in the inside for you. So grey leather and suede mix upholstery with the S line embossed logo. So if there's any questions you've got about this particular vehicle, don't hesitate to contact us, give us a call, visit us online or send us an email, or failing that, come and see us in the showroom. We can give you the keys, you can take it for a test drive, not a problem. And we also do a video walk round tour of the vehicle, so if there's anything you want us to specifically look at or focus on, we can do. Just let us know when you get in touch with us. We'll hopefully see you soon. Take care.